It's gonna be my first time making pickled okra. I don't know, y'all. They've been bugging me about making it. I'm finna make spicy pickled okra. Let's just get into it.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
I don't know if I'm supposed to cut these or what I'm supposed to do, y'all. Do I supposed to cut them or just put them in here whole? I think I'm gonna cut these tops off just because they look kind of funny. So I don't know if I'm supposed to keep the tops, but I don't want to eat it anyway, so I'm cutting it off. I guess I'll do tips too. Tops and tips. Let's see what I'm doing. Tops and tips. Tops and tips. Yeah, we're gonna take our jar. We're gonna put some dill. We're gonna crush our dill a little bit. Not too much. Onion. Okra. Okay, water. Half water, half vinegar. Ooh, these be rising. These rise a lot. We got our pickling salt. We're gonna put some pickling salt in here. And we got our sugar. We're gonna heat this up. We're not gonna bring it to a boil. We're just gonna let it get hot and let the sugar and salt dissolve. Okay, y'all, we got some habaneros sliced up. Let me just show y'all. My habanero are froze because I pre-cut a lot of them and I just freeze them. Put a bay leaf in there. I don't know, y'all. These won't stay down. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so we're gonna push this down. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do if I can't keep these down. So we'll wipe the rim. How do y'all do this? Y'all told me to make these and I don't know. Get tip tight. Don't forget, not too tight. And then we'll be back in a week for these. Oh, it's already popping.
Hit that subscribe button.